DNA test destroyed my family. I'm not my dad's kid, be me 21. College junior, poli-sci major, always the loud one in class. Debates low-key hate men, binge paternity. Court vids for fun, grown men crying over, is this my kid? Lay all insecure of why even marry if you don't trust her. Friends tell me to post my hot takes online, kind of like being the sharp tongue in group. Chat have younger bro, 18, quiet nerd, wants to be a doctor. I roast him so he doesn't turn into one of those guys, tell him don't end up on paternity court crying like a bitch. He just shrugs. I take it as a win. Dinner one night, bro says bio teacher wants them to map family traits extra credit if you include a parent joking about buying a DNA kit online. Mom freezes, fake smile, dad's actually into it, says good project. Bro hyped, orders the kits. Mom looks like she swallowed a knife kits. Arrive, we all spit in tubes like it's family bonding. Mom tapes the box shut a little too hard. Group chat, Lowell my bro turned homework into a family ancestry test. Men stay paranoid. Friends laugh. At first results come in bro scroll says me and him are half siblings, not full. We laugh it off as glitch. I screenshot, toss in chat, Lowell half related, these kits suck. Chat goes dead. Quiet, one girl replies, those tests don't glitch like that. Oh bro, shows teacher, printouts teacher says, weird, one parent's DNA doesn't line up. Mom wine glass clinks too hard at dinner. Dad goes quiet, chewing like gravel. I laugh it off. No one joins in, hear dad's buddy Mike in garage. You sure that kid's yours? Blood boils, I snap at him. Dad doesn't defend me, just says quietly, sometimes you need proof. Find envelope in dad's jacket, paternity test. Official lab, chain of custody already opened. Confront him, he says he'd rather know the truth than pretend. Roll eyes, call him insecure, but stomach drops for the first time later. See him in garage. Red eyes, beer in hand, hands me envelope, paternity probability, 0.0%. Laugh too loud, shaky, he cuts me off. Not a kit. Lab downtown, no glitch. Tells me about catching mom years ago at a motel with a friend. She swore it was nothing, he believed her, because he wanted to voice cracks on love, TFW. My whole world caves in next morning. Mom making pancakes, humming, dad staring at cold coffee. Bro walks in, confused. I cover for them, say dad's tired, bro doesn't buy it. Doorbell, mom's old friend, John at the door. Face says everything. Dad walks in, grease on his hands, eyes like knives. Room goes silent. Mom shoves John out the door. Too late, dad mutters. That's who you swore it wasn't. Packs a duffel that night, says, lawyer first, then maybe Mike's couch. Bro asks about results, again says teacher noticed data doesn't line up, slams his door after I brush him off. Mom at kitchen table with suitcase. Crying, grabs my wrist. I never lied about loving you. Feels like Monopoly money in my hand. Next morning, dad's bag by the door, mom's suitcase half zipped beside it. Two exits, two parents, me stuck in the middle like a bad coin toss.